My name's Dallas McArath. I work in the bronze store. I'm the supervisor. So I look after the bronze store and look after all freight going out through New Zealand and around the rest of the world. 90% of our product that comes through from the foundry is export, 10% is local. There's 7 in my crew, and we've split into areas. One guy works on the small saw, cutting up to 2 3/4 in diameter. There's 2 guys that work on the big drop saw, up to 7 inch in diameter. Anything over that needs to be cut on the bandsaws. We also have one guy doing what we call our Fraser bronze bushes. Then we have 1, maybe 2 guys packing. We've put anywhere from 100 tonne out to 250 tonne a month that goes out through the bronze store here. We export all around the world, South Africa, Europe, Ecuador. This one's going to Thailand, the United States, Saudi Arabia, South America, all around the world.